Ever found yourself scrambling to create visuals with just minutes to spare? Today we're putting Getimg.ai to the ultimate test. Can it really generate high-quality images fast enough to save your project? Let's dive in. Getimg.ai is a powerful AI tool that turns simple text prompts into stunning images. Whether you need visuals for a marketing campaign, social media, or a website, Getimg.ai promises quick professional results without any design experience. So here's the challenge. We've got 60 seconds to create visuals for a marketing campaign. Think a bold social media post and a sleek website banner. Let's see if Getimg.ai can deliver. I'm typing in the prompt. Let's see what we can get here. Boom! Getimg.ai instantly gives me several options to choose from. Now let's go for a clean website banner with a different prompt. And there it is, done in seconds. Take a look. These images are not only fast, but exactly what we need. The social media post pops with color and energy, and the banner is polished and professional. All of this in under 60 seconds. That's efficiency. Now let me give you a quick rundown on the pros and cons of Getimg.ai. It is super fast, easy to use, and delivers professional quality visuals. But it is also limited customization for advanced designs and not ideal for super high resolution needs. But for quick, impactful images, it's a game changer. So the million-dollar question is, Getimg.ai worth your time? Absolutely. If you need fast, reliable visuals without the hassle, I'd rate it a solid 4.5 out of 5 for its speed, ease of use, and quality output. It's not going to replace a designer for complex projects, but for speed and quality on a deadline, it's unbeatable. Ready to try it out? Let me know in the comments below. And hey, if you found this review helpful, smash that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell for more quick tips and reviews. Also, don't forget to visit my website for more insights and AI reviews. Till then, keep exploring and take on the AI challenges.